Feeling versus causes, confusing. Not really. Chill out. The movie was boring, so I was bored. The game was exciting, the points were scored. I was excited, my heart beat fast. The lesson was confusing, it didn't last. If the news is shocking, you are shocked. If the door is locking, it is locked. Wait, that's different. It is the thing, cause it is the head. The story's interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze. She was annoyed, the noise was annoying. The heat was exhausting, the sun was destroying. He was frightened, the ghost was frightened. The storm brought thunder and heavy lightning. The result was disappointing, I was disappointed. The new king was officially appointed. It is the thing, cause it is the head. The story's interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze. Am I boring? My personality is bad. Am I bored? I have nothing to do. He is interesting. He is interesting. Don't mix them up. Are you satisfied? Is it satisfying? I am relaxed. The music is relaxing, yeah. It is the thing, it is the head. The story's interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed. It is the thing, it is the head. The story's interesting, I'm interested in you. The work is tiring, I'm tired too. It's amazing, I am amazed, walking through this language maze.